with the eye view, a bird's view. Mr. Polo, Mr. Polo, like, share, subscribe. Alrighty, nice day too.